Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what sort of documents are needed to apply for a Suncorp credit card. So in order to apply for the credit card of Suncorp, you need to bring out following documents. That is, you'll need your personal details, example, your name and a date of birth. Likewise, you also need to go with the contact details. And for the contact details, you need to enter your current residential status and your previous residential details if you have been at your current address for at least 3 years. And you need to provide your mobile number, then your email address. Moving on, you have to provide your financial positions, your annual and monthly income before and after tax, contact details for your accountants if employed. If self-employed, you need to type an amount of your income, example rental incomes, details of your main expenses including the current balance owing of your credit loans and investment mortgage. Likewise, you need to with the employment details, example employer names, employer contact details, length of the employment, and you need to go with the personal identification that includes your driving license. If you don't hold a standard forms of identification such as driver license or Australian passport or Medicare card, you need to contact at the toll-free number mentioned here, and if you're just calling from outside Australia to discuss your application with them. So you could go ahead and read all of these information. So basically these are the sort of documents that you'll be required in order to apply for the credit card of Suncorp. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.